Yeah, g'day guys. What do you reckon? I'll tell you what I reckon. I reckon we've got to pull this black rubber off the car, eh? So, I've been doing a bit of research here and there, and apparently WD-40 is the best stuff. I've heard rumours that WD-40 gets paint off a car. So if someone spray paints your car, you get WD-40 and then it'll rub off. So we're going to give that a go, eh? See what happens. Now I've gone and got the low odour stuff, so it doesn't smell too bad on my sensitive nose and that. This is probably also good for your skin. I've got sensitive skin, like if I don't use Dove soap, my hands just break out in a rash, Very sensitive sort of bloke. So we'll give her a hit, eh? I reckon you just spray it on and leave it for a while, Pretty good. Give her a good coat. We'll just do the paint first, and then I'll pull the wheel off and get right in there, but this is sort of what I want to do. So I've got some interesting gossip for you as well. I actually thought this was pretty funny. So some joker was commenting on one of me ads or whatever to promote that video. This joke is saying that I'm a gronk for only having one wheel spin. The idiot not see I had a spray tan on. There's no joke about the spray tan. It was just one wheel. You know what I mean? That's pretty sad. I thought the spray tan gig would have been pretty good, but I didn't get a bite at anyone. What's wrong with you fellas? Nothing. Now the situation with that one wheel, this thing has a tag on the diff that says it's LSD, so it's stuffed. So yeah, we're gonna change that. That'd be pretty good. Yeah, this rubber smoke's just gone right up the back of this thing. It's everywhere. They reckon you just give it a good coat and then wait about 15 minutes and then it's supposed to just wipe off. So, see how it goes. Oh, me sunnies. In the office. Alright. Moment of truth, eh, fellas? You can see it breaking it down, it is coming off. It is working. Might take a few coats though. A handy tip, isn't it? Might be better to do the car in sections. Just do one section, and then rub it off, and then save you doing the whole car like I did. It's probably just a waste of WD-40. So. Look at that. Look, I bought one, mate. Fuck. Yeah. very strenuous, a bit harder work than I'm used to doing, so might have to bring me nephew up, get him over. But there you go, mate. WD-40. Who would have thought? That's cool.
Oh.
You over this one?
Get all that off.
Yeah, see all the black stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna get that off. It just wipes off.
No, Dad, I'm gonna. Here's a soda iron.
Pretty easy, eh?
Dad, can you get my ones safe for me? Because I'm gonna go put my work shirt on.
Alright.
Dad, I got one new one. I got one my shirt that I don't like. It's the dinosaur one. Look, I don't like this one.
Why don't you like it?
Because it's weird and it's gonna make me hot. Look how long the sleeves are.
I think the car's coming up pretty good though. Well, there you go, eh? WD-40. What can't it do? That's the real question of today. Like that, that come up really good. Oh, so I should also say that underside, like underneath here, I'm thinking what I'm going to do, I'll just leave it, because if anything, it's just going to be a sound deadener. So, you know, less noise from the wheel. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, so next up we've got the dyno coming. We just got to, as soon as they're available and got time, it's a busy workshop and I've got a bit of a, you know, bit of an agreement going on with them. So whenever they can fit me in, I just pop around there. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got more hot action. Hope you liked this video. It was very, you know, worked a treat actually. I was really impressed. Really good. Cool. See you later, boys and girls. Cool.